Casey writes, I just got my 2023 GTI SE on Saturday, running in Southwest Florida in brackish saltwater. With Saltaway, should you rinse it out after a flush or no? Love the videos, Kevin, and thanks for coming out, Tim.
Well, Casey, congratulations for entering the Sea-Doo life there. Saltwater is bad for everything. So my recommendation to my friends, to everybody, is wash your machine after you ride it in salt, no matter what, with some kind of soapy water. If you use Saltaway, then that's great. But definitely you want to rinse it off and really get up into all the trim pieces, get up under there, especially around any electronics or moving parts, the pump, the steering, the IBR system. Make sure that you're rinsing that with soapy water. Saltaway is great. As far as flushing it goes, yes, the water box is, the engine itself is closed loop, but the water box is still open loop. I would recommend it's not going to kill your machine if you miss it by a day or two, but you want to just get all the salt out of it you possibly can. It's really bad for everything. But my tip is, it's kind of like brushing your teeth. It only takes like 5 minutes after you ride to really clean it well. But if you don't brush your teeth for a summer, it's usually going to be pretty nasty. So just take the few minutes to clean your Watercraft, and it'll pay off big dividends.
Yeah, it'll last a long, long time. And there's a lot of, there's just a lot of the corrosive properties of salt water. I'll tell you, just go to a marina and walk around and look at the backs. Look at the outboards, look at the jet drives. If it's a jet driven boat, or a personal watercraft, and just look at the calcification and the leaching that happens to the metals. It is even in freshwater, it can be pretty bad, but particularly in saltwater, it's a quick way to murder your investment.
Yeah, salt's wicked. I mean, I live 1,000 feet from the beach, and like I mentioned earlier, it's the most salinic water in almost the world. And I mean, I go through doorknobs. My house is like 9 years old, and I've gone through 3 sets of doorknobs. And I've replaced both of my air conditioning units, and it's just it's rough. It's rough.
Okay.
So yeah, take care of your Watercraft. The other thing too is cover it up. That's another big one. Cover it up. Just keep the sun off of it. Keep the squirrels out of it. Just keep it covered and protected. It'll help a lot.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.